Welcome back. Well, Sensex and Nifty fell for the fourth straight session, posting the biggest one-day drop in a month and the worst losing streak in 5 months. 4 lakh crore rupees in investor wealth got wiped out today. So let's get in some insights into dealing room chatter as well. Nimesh is joining us with that. Nimesh?
Thanks, Anil. So the markets ended at day's low, but it was largely on back of global risk-off and the fact that there is a bit of unwinding pressure as well out of the expiry tomorrow. The bigger worry is the dip in the cash volumes. That's been slipping on every passing day, and on an average it is down to almost 20-25%. That suggests that there is lack of participation from retail and HN investors. On the other hand, the larger institutions doesn't seem to be large sellers. So even in today's trade, the feedback is the FIs were the flows were mixed, but there is a bit of buying interest in some index heavy as well. Even in today's trade, while the markets were down sharply, the bigger pain point is the financial index. That's been the pain point for the last many days, and that was the trend today as well. Most of the bank stocks were under pressure, and now both the bank Nifty and the Nifty are technically below the key support level. So that's a negative sign from a technical point of view. I guess things can improve from here on, but I guess technically the markets are weak. But the fact is, while the cash volumes are on the lower side, the FIs are not aggressive sellers, and that's a bit of a positive sign as far as markets are concerned.
All right, so that's what's happening as far as the dealing room chatter is concerned. Nimesh, thank you so much for joining us with that. Moving on, all Adani Group stocks ended in the red today as the sell-off continues. Overall, the group has lost 11.6 lakh crore rupees in market cap since the Hindenburg report was released almost a month ago. Vivek Iyer is here with more on the decline that we've seen in the Adani Group stocks. Vivek?
Well, absolutely right. So today what we've witnessed is that there has been significant and renewed selling pressure across most of the Adani Group stocks. In fact, just to put it in perspective, during the peak, across most of the stocks or the peak market cap for this group was almost 24 lakh crore, and current market cap is just around 7.6 lakh crore. And since the release of the Hindenburg report, the erosion has been a little over 11 lakh crore as far as the Adani Group stocks are concerned. So it's a very large fall that you're seeing across the entire group. Now, in terms of stock prices, it's quite alarming the way some of the stocks have actually fallen. So Adani Total, Adani Transmission and Adani Green, all three of these stocks have seen cuts of over 70% since January 24th. The other group of stocks, Adani Enterprises, Adani Power, Adani Wilmar, anywhere between 30 to 60% is where they've seen the fall. And the least impacted have been ACC, Adani Ports as well as Ambuja, again falling between 25 to 33%. NDTV too has seen a fall of over 30%. So clear sharp knock has been seen, and today there has been renewed selling pressure, especially across Adani Enterprises, that has taken it quite significantly in today's trading session.
Vivek, thank you so much for all those details and tracking that story. With that, it's a wrap on this special edition of Market Sell-Off. We'll keep tracking all the market action right here on CNBC-TV18, so stay tuned for that.